తరిమి కొడతారు. రాజకీయంగా మీరందరూ కూడా సమాధి అయిపోతారని చెప్పేసి కూడా ఈ సందర్భంగా హెచ్చరిస్తూ, మరి నేను మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ చేస్తున్నా, రాహుల్ గాంధీ గారు, యువర్ కాంగ్రెస్ గవర్నమెంట్ in Telangana is destroying the education system in the state. They are playing with the lives of almost 65 lakhs of students in Telangana. They are violating the constitutional right to live with dignity of the students. Article 21 guaranteed the right to live with dignity. Article 14 guaranteed the right to live with equality, and Article 17 prohibited the untouchability. But your own government, your own officers, they are forcing the students to clean the toilets just because they belong to Dalit community. They don't belong to posh society. That's what your officers are saying.